Hey guys, this is Oliver from Casual Tech. Today we're going to be looking at the Baseus 120 watt charger. This is just a quick unboxing, just showing you guys what's in the box, what are my first impressions. So let's just go straight to it. Okay guys, so this is how the box looks like. So you see 120 watts EU, GaN fast charging, 120 watts in total, which allows you to, in theory, charge two laptops and a mobile phone all in the same charger. Your classic Baseus charger here. I really like it. Let's just unbox this and see what's inside. So really nice unboxing experience. We have some paperwork here at the top, and just kind of explaining you like how it works. A few stickers from Baseus, pretty nice. Then we have the charger itself here. Okay, so here's the charger itself. It comes really nice, protected with this plastic. So yeah, let's just open this up and can just put this here. So as you can see, okay guys, so here we have the charger, 120 watt hours, two USB Type-C ports and a regular, and it comes with some nice protection here so that your charger doesn't get scratched, and it's in a matte black, which I appreciate, so scratches are not going to look too bad. And it's written Baseus here at the top. So yeah, pretty nice, very compact actually. I was impressed how small this is. And then otherwise inside the box we get a cable and a pouch for the charger. So very handy, very nice. And then we can literally put the charger in here, put the cable in here, close it, done. So yeah guys, so that was a quick unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're interested in more details, ask me some questions in the comments below, and I'll make a review for you guys. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you on the next one.